31 mile eastbound. It's a boxcar. Tanker. TTS boxcar, cool. Hey, Cinder's wet. Cool.
Okay.
Hey Mom,
What?
if this is the, I know, yeah, it's the A482, I knew it. It's CSS cold cars on it. I was gonna say if this was the, hang on, A484, I would have caught it in Woodhaven. That's a big twin. Lenox, Michigan. Coal cars.
Wait, where's the train? Yeah. Sad. For that underground.
Boxcar. Coil. Cars.
This I get to do billion.
Auto rack.
Bunch of minions spray painted on that one.
Hey Mom. Big train.
That's kind of cool.
Well, that's at Yellowstone.
Oh, my neck's killing me.
It's what?
Yellowstone, 35 below.
What's it called?
Do you know what it is?
Yeah, it's a Tatanka.
A what?
A bison. You ever seen the movie Dances with Wolves?
Look at those wheelbarrows,
What?
they're blue.
No.
No?
Parts of it.
Matrobic.net,
He
it got
beat him
caught.
up. He runs into town yelling Tatanka.
Matrobic.net.
Because that's their
Trainvideo.com. There's a whole bunch of them. Wow,
Holy crap,
big
it's a long
twins.
train.
Mom,
What?
there's the end. Alright guys, bye. Lenox, Michigan.